Okay. Alright guys, welcome for another session. For today we have our opening for the hackathon. It's actually our first day for the hackathon. So are you guys excited that we for the hackathon, or you more excited for the bootcamp? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Oh yes, okay, alright. Just have fun. Like I said, this is not a typical classroom kind of bootcamp, things like that. So just let's have fun, and it's better to have a two-way communication than I'm top alone on this part. Alright? Okay. So for the hackathon, right? My name is Iqbal Baharum. Sorry, I need to share my screen. Okay. Just can join my streaming. So yeah, my name is Iqbal Baharum. I'm basically the mentor and the teacher for this bootcamp, and as well the mentor inside the hackathon as well. So yesterday I have a briefing about the what we call this for the bootcamp, and today we have a briefing about the hackathon. Right? So basically yesterday is the start for the bootcamp, and today is the start for the hackathon. Right? So yeah, my name is Iqbal Baharum. I myself is a programmer myself, so I have more than 15 years in programming. So I've done a lot of coding, especially in the Web 2 world. So yeah, I see a lot of you guys actually came from a Web 2 background programming as well. So it's more related to me. So but I'm having fun teaching as well at the same time. I'm currently a chief of talent for Creator Siambahan. Okay. So for the seed hackathon is we have the hackathon that actually going to start for today. So this is the journey for your hackathon. It's not a long hackathon. It's actually a very short hackathon, right? So it means that from the 9th, and the deadline is actually next week, right? So the start of the hackathon is actually today, on the 9th of December, and the submission. And we expect the submission for the hackathon on the 30th of December, and the deadline, my bad, for the submission will be open for your hackathon is actually on the 13th of December, and the deadline for the submission, it means the deadline for all the hackathon is on the 16th. So basically all in all, we have about 6 days of hackathon. Is it enough? So I know it's not enough, but it's a lot better than normally 24 hours or 48 hours hackathon that I usually attend to. So yeah, like I said, the purpose for this is actually for us to actually learn. The hack is actually for us to learn while we actually do a project on top of that. So the deadline for the submission is on the 16th of December 2022, and it's actually on next Thursday, am I right? Is it on 16th? It's on next Thursday, right? And it's at 2 p.m. Malaysia time. Any one of you guys that are not from Malaysia or Singapore, I think I need to put here. Okay. When you go international is everything need to be in GMT time zone. Okay. Okay. Fix that. So don't worry, this slide I'm gonna share it later inside the Discord, and I'm gonna put it inside the website as well, so you can actually check it out. So like I said just now, that the deadline, the submission for the hackathon is on the 16th of December on the 2 p.m. plus 8 GMT, Malaysia and Singapore time. right? So you can adjust your time based on that. So, and from the 16th December until the 17th, so this is the beauty of this hackathon. There's not going to be judges, right? There's not going to be judges. So it means it's an open hackathon. It means that everyone will vote each other, right? So it's between 16 to 17 for the 24 hours from 6 p.m. to another 6 p.m. the next day, right? So you guys gonna vote for whichever project that you like, right? So it's actually on the voting stage. So I will explain about the voting afterwards. Right, then on the 18th of December, we will announce the winner at the in real life event at AWS for our closing, and also inside the social media. All right, so we are clear on this process. So I mean later on the 13th of December, you will need to go to academy, the one that I shared, the academy.project, academy.seedweb3.io, for you to actually submit your applications. So 3 days before, you will see a button for a submission, so that during that point you can actually create your profile and submit your projects. Right? For the submission, it's actually very straightforward. It's not as, I mean, if you're actually a seasoned hackathoner that you actually attend a lot of hackathon before in Web3, there's actually a lot of form for you to fill up. This one is a very straightforward. What we need is just a project name, a description about your project, an image if you have, and the most important part is we will need your GitHub repository, right? So, or any Git or any things that are Git related, you can use GitLab, GitHub, Bitbucket, doesn't matter, as long it need to be public. Alright, and lastly, we need I mean, if you have a live demo, that'd be great. I mean, throughout this one-week hackathon, I will actually try to guide you in terms teaching you how you can actually deploy your products live, right? They actually have a lot of way for you to do that without needing servers and so on, right? So then, if you have a demo, then that'd be great. Lastly, you will need to create a 3 to 5 minute video. I mean, not really, but maximum of 5-minute videos of your products, right? So the important part of these videos and the live demo is that everyone that want to vote for you is actually able to see what you're actually building, and also that they can play around what you have been building. All right. So like I said, oh yeah, I forgot about it. Since this is a near hackathon, so you will definitely need a near wallet for your submission, and also for the prizes as well. So you can go to the wallet.near.org to create your own wallet. So everyone here, I assume, will have the wallet ready, but if not, just go to the wallet.near.org and create your own wallet. Just make sure, don't share whatever happened, don't share your seed phrase with anyone. It's yours, right? So for your testing, you can go to the wallet testnet.near.org, alright. But what we need is your production wallet, like me, your real wallet, right? So just go to wallet. Then you can create your GitHub submission, a 5-minute video, and live demo, right? If you have, right? So this is gonna help you for other people to vote. So it means that for this hackathon, it's not about for you to actually build something that actually gonna, what you call this, not only for you to build up applications, so you need to attract people to vote for you as well, right? This is, I guess, near Got Talent kind of thing. So it means just vote for whichever project that you feel have a potential to grow, or actually maybe you like of the project because the way that they try to code, or you like the project because how they presented it. Very simple, and put your vote in, right? So everything that provide a submission will receive 3 votes. Okay, so it means that when you submitted, you need to submit with your near wallet, right? So that particular wallet we have access for the vote. Okay, so it means that that wallet will be whitelisted for you to give away the votes, right? So yeah, so it means that every vote will be equivalent to 1 point. So it means that every vote that you get, you will receive a point, right? I mean, in this case, you can even vote for yourself. Yes, please. So it means that if you feel that you do things good enough, contribute good enough, vote for yourself, right? And the other two, just vote the other. Or you feel that okay, you don't deserve the vote, then you can give away. But only for the team that a team or solo hackers that have a submission. It means that every submission will receive 3 votes. And at the same time, we're gonna run a Telegram polls whereby the first place of the Telegram pool will receive additional 3 points, second place is 2 points, and the third points. And also for Twitter posts, right? Third place, the same thing. First place we get 3 points, 2 points, and the first point. And the winner will be decided by the sum of all points. So this is a very fair game, a blockchain style. So it means that no hanky panky. So it means that you don't need to worry about the judge, like the judge doesn't understand what you're building and things like that. You can actually try to convince other what you are building and things like that. Okay? Alright. Okay. I mean, I forgot to tell you, if you have any questions, just post it inside our Hackers House chat. So I will try to answer the question along the way as this progress. Okay. Then the best part of all, I guess a lot of you guys are excited about is the prizes. So the prizes are only be given for the top 3 projects, for the top 3 submissions. So the first prize we receive $1,000 worth of NEAR token. Second prize $500 worth of NEAR token, and the last, no sorry, not last. The third prize will be given $200 worth of NEAR token. So it means that because we are giving away as a NEAR token, yes, please have your wallet ready for it. So it means that if you are the winner, we will send you an email afterward for us to continue. Sorry, not for us to continue. Sorry, my bad. For the communication. So it means that we'll be communicating with you in terms of the prizes and distribution of the prizes. But yes, the prizes are in a crypto format, right? Yeah, that's all for me for the briefing part. Alright, so do you have any question that you would like to ask? No question. So I guess that everyone is clear in terms of the what you need to do on this part. So but if you have a questions or you want to follow up, oh yeah, sorry, before I forgot, you can go to academy.seedweb.io and you can check out the schedules. So actually on the 12th we're gonna have an idea brainstorming session. So this is actually there for you to figure out what you can build in these very short times. And maybe I think most of you guys are basically like a first time hacker for Web3, right? So it means that we can look about what you can build, right? And at 9 o'clock at the 12th as well, we're going to have a team formation for people that doesn't have a team. Like I said, for this hackathon, you can hack solo or you can hack a team. Because the duration that we have is very short, whereby it's only about 6 days, right? So try to adjust it for that part. Do we have a 3:30 session on the 10th and 11th? We don't actually. Right? We don't have a session. Godujan asked, do we have a 3:30 p.m. session on 10 and 11 December? No, we don't have. So what you need to do, you can check out the schedules here at the website. Right? So like I said, if you need a session in terms of for the bootcamp, for understanding how to code all that, just drop me a message inside the Discord, then we can have a discussion. I think I had a very short talk with just now 3-year rabbit, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yes. So it means that just post it there, discuss. Okay, not really understand the concept. Can you help us explain again? Thanks. Okay. Which part is it? Like overall concept, or you need it like for this hackathon? Okay, Zed didn't reply me on this. Zed, when you say not really understand the concept, can you help us explain again? Thanks. Okay. Can you just specify which part that you are not sure about, or you want me to explain from the beginning? From the beginning, wow, okay. So for this hackathon, it's a very straightforward hackathon. Okay, from the beginning again. Okay, let me. If you are not sure of that, just stop me. Then I will try to explain further on this process, right? So this is an open hackathons. It means that throughout these hackathons, you will actually what we call this. Let me see. You can create a team or you can hack solo. So during the beginning for the hackathon, that you will. I think this is a very straightforward. You do a hack, then you do a submission. Am I right? So on the 30th of December, the submission form will be opened, and the 16th December, the submission is actually on the deadline. I mean, due date for the submission. So it means that all submission need to be sent before the 16th of December at 2 p.m. plus 8 GMT time zone. Right? So I think this part is straightforward, right, Zed? Are you clear on this part? You need to do a hack and you do the submission on the 16th, right? So by the 13th of December, when you actually go to academy.seedweb3.io, a submission form will be opening up on you on the top here, right? So it means that you can click it to do a submissions, right? You will need to log in with your Near wallet for you to have access to the login, right? Then after that, you will do a submission based on so you will receive your submission form, and you can submit whatever the project that you'll be working on, the computer project, to the form. Alright, so like I said, then by the 16th of December 2 o'clock, the form gonna be disappear. It means that you can't do a submission after the 16th of December at 2 p.m. right? So for this judging process, we actually using a different concept than a normal typical hackathon, whereby you have a judges to decide about the winner, right? So for this hackathon, for this bootcamp, we actually using an open concept judging. It means that you guys are actually gonna vote for whichever is the best project is that you feel at, right? So it means that you will actually have, every team will have 3 votes for you. Every submission, right? I'm sorry, not team. So every submission will receive 3 votes that you can actually distribute the votes. So you can only vote one team at a time. It means that if you already vote for team A, you can't vote for them anymore, right? So you can actually delegate your vote to other team, right? So and additionally, for a bonus point, we actually have a Telegram and a Twitter poll. So it means from the Telegram and the Twitter poll, you actually can post it, because for the Telegram and Twitter poll is actually a more public. So it means that anyone that doesn't have a submission can actually vote inside the Telegram and Twitter, right? So for the Telegram and Twitter poll, you will, for the first place, you will receive additional 3-point bonus, second place 2-point bonus, and third place as a 1-point bonus, right? So and the winner is decided by the sum of all the points. Okay. Does it make sense for you guys? Alright, so I mean, if you have further question, if you are not sure about the process, all that, just drop a message inside the discussion, or you can PM me directly, that I will respond back to you guys, and I explain it more directly on this part. Like I said, this is actually a hackathon for us to learn, not a hackathon for us to win prizes. I mean, definitely we actually expect you can create a good product out of this, but to give chance for people that actually just entered. So this is actually a more learning type kind of hackathon, right? So like I said, if you have a problem, if you are not sure about the process, just drop a message, right? I noticed that the tutorial used Rust, JavaScript, assembly script. Which of the three will you recommend for us to pick up, not just for the hackathon, but in general? Go to Jen. I think that question is actually more towards the bootcamp, but I will try to answer here since everyone is here. Personally, for me, I actually can do Rust, JavaScript, assembly script, but personally for me, I prefer Rust. because that for a near smart contract, they are actually producing a WASM file, a web assembly file, right? This compiler file is the file are going to be deployed as a smart contract, right? So for me, that Rust is the best way in terms of building it. But I know I do understand that it's actually a big gap in terms for you to learn and understand Rust in this case. So don't worry about it. Assembly script and JavaScript will be easier for you to start off if you are just starting up, right? But like I said, in general, you should use Rust because most of application in Web3 are using Rust or Golang in blockchain specifically, right? Even for Ethereum, we are using get ETH, so it means a Golang kind of type of it. I think they have a new one actually using Rust. I can't remember the name, but as I understand it, I think about 50%, 60% are using Rust. Even if you code in Solana, it's using Rust. Even if you code in FEVM, a new one also using Rust. That one is using Solidity. Sorry, but I heard they can do Rust also. I think quite a number of it can use Rust. So personally for me, it's Rust. Right, Zed, how about the team? Do you arrange it for us? Actually, we have a group there, a channel looking for a team. I will post it here. You can channel looking for team. So it means that if anyone that are looking for a team, you can actually just post it inside there. I think I will provide a format for you to fill up inside the looking for team. So then from there that you can actually assemble the team that you're looking at. Right? But if you are looking it to hack solo, also it's possible. Right? Any more questions? Okay, so I think there's no more questions on this part. If you, again, like I said, if you have questions or that, drop me a DM, right? You can look at my username Bonbon. I will always be online except when I'm sleeping, partially eating. So if you whether just drop me a message, DM me, or just put it inside the discussion group, so that we have a discussion so that everyone can get the same information. Okay. Alright, thank you very much guys. Happy hacking. Alright, looking forward for the product that you can build.